I do it big. Yeah, I do it big.
Good morning, everybody. Thank you for tuning back into my channel. Sorry the lighting is bad. I have my phone kind of on the dashboard on lower so nobody can see it. Just as promised, we're going back to late model domestics, and I'm getting my second modification. I appreciate all the comments, the suggestions in the comments below about which cold air intake I should purchase. You'll see in this video as well my husband's car. I don't know if I mentioned on my channel, but my husband has a 2002 Challenger Scatpack. So today he's also getting his cold air intake. So he went a different route. He purchased the K&N opened cold air intake, and I decided to go in ultimately with the aFe closed system cold air intake. And let me kind of explain my reasonings. So if you notice the difference between the Charger and the Challenger, there's different heat extractors, and even when I go to Dinwiddie, I notice that my car runs very, very hot. Also, where we live, there's stop and go traffics at different times when we're going to work. And that's one of the reasons why I decided to go with the closed system, to kind of keep that temperature at bay. Because I don't want ultimately that cold air intake actually working against me, running hotter. So that was one of the reasons. The second reason I decided to go with the closed box system is for obvious reasons. It's the debris. I don't want the backup. I also elected to go as far as the filter. I went with the dry versus the oiled, because again, I don't want that debris backup. You'll see in the video, he decided to go with the K&N, like I was saying, the open cold air intake. And I think that's a good choice for him. The only thing that I was kind of cautioning or worrying, his hood is almost similar like the Hellcat hood, where you have that open space where I don't know how rain is going to play in a factor when it comes to that cold air intake, because it's right directly under it. So I was thinking about purchasing him that, I think GLT has that clear piece that you can kind of put up there. But let me know in the comments below what you think.